Tuberculosis, commonly called TB, is one of the world's oldest and most dangerous infectious diseases. Many people think TB is rare or gone, but the truth is, TB is still affecting millions of people every year. In this video, you'll learn the early signs of tuberculosis, how TB spreads and how to prevent it, and safe home care practices that support recovery while clearly understanding what does and does not cure TB. Tuberculosis is a serious bacterial infection caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It mainly affects the lungs, but it can also spread to other parts of the body such as the brain, bones and joints, kidneys, lymph nodes. TB spreads through the air when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. TB symptoms often develop slowly and may be ignored at first. Common warning signs include a persistent cough lasting more than 2 to 3 weeks, chest pain, coughing up mucus, sometimes mixed with blood, shortness of breath. Other general symptoms include fever, especially in the evening, night sweats, unexplained weight loss, loss of appetite, constant tiredness and weakness. In children, TB symptoms may be subtle, such as poor weight gain or low energy. Any cough lasting more than 2 weeks should be checked by a doctor. Preventing TB starts with awareness and healthy habits. First, BCG vaccination helps protect children from severe forms of tuberculosis. Second, avoid close and prolonged contact with people who have active, untreated TB. Third, ensure good ventilation at home and in public places. Fresh air and sunlight reduce TB spread. Also, cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Wash hands regularly. Avoid overcrowded spaces. A strong immune system is key. Eat well, rest properly, and avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Home remedies do not cure tuberculosis. TB is cured only with prescribed medical treatment. However, home care plays a big role in recovery. First, nutrition is critical. TB weakens the body, so eat foods rich in proteins such as eggs, fish, beans, and meat, fruits and vegetables for vitamins, healthy fats like nuts and seeds. Second, garlic supports the immune system and can be added to daily meals. Third, ginger and honey may help soothe cough and improve appetite. Turmeric, often taken as warm, golden milk, has anti-inflammatory properties and can support overall health. Also, drink plenty of water, get enough rest, reduce stress. Always take TB medication exactly as prescribed. Never stop TB medication early, even if symptoms improve. Stopping treatment can lead to drug-resistant TB, which is much harder and longer to treat. Seek medical care immediately if a cough lasts longer than 2 weeks, you cough up blood, you have severe weight loss or night sweats, you've been in contact with someone diagnosed with TB. Early treatment saves lives and prevents spread. Tuberculosis is serious but curable. Early detection, proper treatment, and healthy daily habits make all the difference. Protect yourself, protect others, and never ignore persistent symptoms.